You know, when I first heard the term cyberbullying, I thought it was just teasing. But it was so much more than that.
Except, it's not just who you're bullying. It's a deliberate, repeated, and hostile behavior by an individual or a group of people that is targeted towards one ordinary person.
Yes, that's right. The part cyber is happening through digital technology. Let's look about cyberbullying, what it looks like.
It's like using your gadget to normalize and induce toxicity upon the internet. That's not right.
So what can we do to prevent or stop cyberbullying?
Just imagine, whatever you type, good or bad,
Kind, necessary, just induce scrutiny.
reach out because you're not alone in this. You have your friends and families or counselors or teachers.
Who bullied you? Anong pangalan ko na? Anong pangalan? Mag-iego sumbi. Nagkata ka na ito na teacher ko, may drink ko niya. So guy was bullied by one of his classmates.
Who bullied you?
There's photo evidence. This is my fault. Kasi kasi manager, so
So that's basically cyberbullying. It's not reported to the principal.
Kindness over everything else, and because word matters.
let's create a cyberbullying where kindness, respect, and common manners is everywhere.
Stop cyberbullying.
Cyberbullying.
Cyberbullying